Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna to show you how you can crochet cute flower for 4 minutes. Also, I will show you how to add beads in crochet. For work you need a ball of yarn, crochet hook, beads and round motif made in tutorial 7 of Crochet Projects and Elements playlist. I have done the round motif. The last round of this motif consists of 15 stitches. And now let's begin. In this case I'm going to work with petals. Make a chain, pull a little bit, then insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet. Now pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook, then take the working loop, pull it through. Now make a chain, then yarn over the hook 2 times, insert the hook into the same stitch, make treble crochet. So my treble crochet is ready. Then chain of 3 to bring up the yarn, then yarn over the hook. Now I am working with treble crochet and this yarn. I'm going to do double crochet stitches. So let's make double crochet 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then half double crochet into the same stitch and yarn and single crochet. Well done. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet, then single crochet into the next stitch. The first petal of the flower is ready. Let's crochet the next petal. For the next petal, I insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet, pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook. Then you should crochet in the same way as I did in the first petal. In total it should be 5 of them. I have done all 5 petals. As you can see, this flower is easy to make. Now let's complete this flower together. Insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. The round is done. And my cute flower with beads is ready. It can be like a decoration for your bedroom, or you can use it like a brooch or accessories for bags. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and learn more.